We just came from the boat office and up this dock. Our boat is a clipper style, and you have to go up these steps right here to the upper level. They told us they prefer us driving from the top. And it's about 52 degrees right now, so it should be a chilly start. And it's going to be a cold night, but then nothing but sunny days coming. So coming into the salon area, going down these steps, going to flip around. Because you know it's much easier going down stairs backwards. I came down those steps, and then there's a ledge. That is a grill with a gas tank, propane tank. Steps to open the outside. That'll be easy for Sam to handle the locks whenever he's driving inside, if we ever do that. Okay, there he is. There is a salon area here. There must be a table because it looks like we're going to, it's a place to sit down. Bar stools. And then the galley is here. There's a few steps to get to the galley. There's a trash can behind. And sink. A gas stove, propane tank, a kettle, that's good to know. And then there is, let's see what's in here, like a broiler type, and then an oven there. Here's the refrigerator, and it does look like it has a bit of a freezer part. So this model happens to have that. We're Clipper 6, so I don't know if all the Clippers come with that freezer section. Some storage up above. Glasses. Some coffee mugs. Tea, something to drink our tea from. Let's see what's over here. Important things. Under the sink, there's a couple of pans, a bowl, more pans back there. Okay. This one, there are the plates, some bowls there. So everything you need in the galley. Plus a fire blanket. Behind, there is a door to a stateroom in the back. This is the configuration they have right now. And it looks like you cannot move it. It's two twins in the back. And storage, really good storage. There is a closet. Life vest in the closet with a few hangers. And this side, you see this desk area. There is, a pull-out drawer. Two pull-out drawers, that's nice. And then storage below. And then the head here. So you see there is the head, toilet paper, little trash can, a sink, and the shower. Everything, all-purpose head. There is the towel rack on the back of the door. Going back out to galley, and then there's the table right there under the grill. Here's Sam's favorite place right here, one of the helms. There's a helm inside and a helm outside. As I mentioned earlier, they want us to drive the boat from the outside. And here's another stateroom. You see this? It's kind of it's a full size in its diagonal. We're in the front of the boat now. You see a shelf, and there is a closet with a couple life vests and shelves in the back. Then this area, hello, as a mirror. There is a pull-out drawer. Sam's already put some things in there. Got a laptop. Then there is another head on this side. So this is luxury. Having two heads on one boat is always a nice thing. Now this head does not have, oh yes it does. Look what's behind the door. There is the shower there. So has a shower, sink, and the toilet. The towel bar is back behind, and the little trash can is there. So 2 staterooms, 2 heads. While I was walking and talking, Sam unloaded the groceries that we have gotten so far. Now, we didn't get a lot of stuff. What we tried to do is focus on some breakfast items, some lunch items, and then just plan to eat somewhere, some stop along the way. So here are the cold items. We think this is coffee creamer, but we don't know. All the items were in Dutch at the grocery store. I mean everything. Now, this looks like our cheese for sandwiches, but we have no idea what kind it is. This, we're hoping that's a brie. Yeah, it says room brie. So fairly certain that's brie. We did get some olives and some butter and another kind of cheese, and then we're hoping that's blue cheese. Now, as far as the deli meat we got, this has a picture of a chicken on it, so that's how I'm fairly certain that's chicken meat. And then this has a picture of a pig on it, and it has ham in the name, so I'm good with those choices. And then we have our happy hour meats to go along with our happy hour cheeses. And that's all we got that's going to go in the refrigerator, because we weren't certain how large the refrigerator is, and we will have plenty of space. Now, we are in Amsterdam, so we did Sam got some Heineken, a few 6-pack. He also found a bottle of wine, and he got a bottle of water at the store. We did purchase this Brita pitcher for filtering water. And although it takes up some space in the suitcase, you can stuff this, with socks and all kinds of things, and split the lid in the filter section from the rest of the pitcher. But it does take up, although it is kind of thin, takes up extra suitcase space. It is so worth it to pack that, because now we don't have to worry about drinking fresh water. We use the sink, fill up the Brita, and have filtered water. Now we got some more things up here. Those are some snacks we brought from home, but we did get Belvita, and that's good because everything else on that box is in Dutch, and we just recognize Belvita because we buy those back home. We got some orange marmalade, and Sam wanted Cheez-Its, and this is the closest kind of cracker that I could find. That little bottle came from the plane. We did get some crackers for happy hour. So, check that out. Then, I don't know. I think those are cookies. Not sure. And these obviously are pickles for our sandwiches. This is the coffee that we got. It's just it's instant espresso, so we're hoping tablespoon in a cup and some creamer will do us right. If you're in Amsterdam, you have to get these type cookies. You put them over your hot tea or hot coffee. It kind of heats up on the rim of the cup. It kind of heats up the cookie, and it's a good Danish treat to have. We got a loaf that's already sliced up of sourdough bread, and then picked up some chips to go along with the sandwiches that we're going to have for lunch. So that's pretty much all the provisioning we did. We did get some mayo. We recognize the Hellman's brand. And we did get some mustard, although I don't know where it is. It must be in a suitcase somewhere. We were able to pick up some trash bags, because we know we're going to have opportunity along the way. They have a trash can, as I showed you earlier, over there on that side. And we picked up, I believe, a roll of paper towels. We got some eco-friendly toilet paper. The only thing that's missing that I don't see that we've had on other boats, this is the first time we've rented a boat, but there's no hand soap. And so that's going to be an issue. We're going to have to pick up some hand soap. We do have hand sanitizer in our luggage that we travel with, but we're going to have to pick up some hand soap. This is our provisioning, and more to come as we go along. One more thing, we did decide to get some Ziploc bags, although they had never heard of Ziploc. This is a grocery store here. It's called Jumbo, but it's really not. It's called Yumbo, and they very kind helped us out. We decided to get some paper plates and some napkins to do our lunches on, and our breakfast too, although there are some plates, as you saw, under the cabinet there. So that looks like everything we got at the store to provision to get our trip started. Well, after panicking because we didn't have any soap, all we saw was a trash can, a mop bucket, a dustpan and brush, a towel, and a broom. We found out that we could buy a packet of cleaning things. So apparently this is everything we're going to need to clean, and we'll just try to keep it neat and tidy as best we can.